Okay, so now we've got to define the following terms. Now you should know these. So HTTPS, okay, stands for, in case you've forgotten, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Okay, and S would be for secure. Now to actually see this work, okay, for example here, if I go on to Amazon, which I have an account on, oh dear, I'm already logged in. Okay, but if I was to go and buy some, well, not already logged in actually. So if I was to actually go in and buy something, so here I've got an item in my basket, and I wanted to proceed to checkout. Okay, you can already see that here it's secure and it's got the HTTPS. So that what this means is this page is actually encrypted and only I can see it. So it's encrypted just for me. So, because as you know, there's lots of hackers out there and people that are after your credit card details and so on. So this will actually secure the site. So what you've got to look out for is the padlock and HTTPS. Whenever you're going to log in anywhere, when you go to pay for anything, it should have HTTPS. So if we went onto the school's Moodle, for example, okay, so this obviously isn't secure. But if I was to sign out and try and sign in, so if I logged out, okay, and you can see up here this is not secure, okay, which is really, really odd. So someone could actually encrypt this and get my password because it's not secure. But then it hasn't got anything on it that's not, that's secure really, that I would want to hide necessarily. It's kind of open source. Right, so now URL. You should know what URL stands for, okay? So URL is this Uniform Resource Locator. So if I was to type in anything here, so if I wanted to go to www.futurelearn.com, that's the URL there. So now different sites, so like for example, if I went to www.amazon.co.uk, that means it's a company in the UK. .com, which means company, is generally in America. So then we've got ES, which is Spain, NZ, which is New Zealand. Okay, so this would refer to anywhere on the web. So URL is a Uniform Resource Locator that will take me directly to that website.